In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 27th December 2021, and the day would be Monday. And let's look at Nifty. In yesterday's video, or in the previous video, I said that from here Nifty looks kind of indecisive. So this is going to be a indecisive market and kind of negative. So now on the Telegram channel, you can see that I said, you can see that I said that every data, and this is yesterday, which means I'm recording this on 25th. So on 24th, I have said this night that at 8:38 a.m. So tomorrow morning before market opens, I said that every data is showing positive market, but somehow I feel that today market may give a big fall. This is just my gut feeling, and I can be entirely wrong. So I was thinking that some parameters, I felt that it can be a big fall, and I said, but I'm definitely looking for shorting opportunities today. And then what happened? And at 10:16 you can see, just as I said, bank nifty already 682 point down from open. So I have predicted the fall actually before the market opened. So, and I also said in yesterday's video, I also said here. So if you want to join this channel, then you can join Stock Market Ritual channel, where I post my ideas every now and then. And there is also a premium channel. If you want to join the premium channel, all you need to do, I give exclusive trades here that I take myself. And if you want to join this channel, all you have to do is click the link in the description to open an Upstocks account with us. As and when the account will be opened, we will add you to this group. And I get this trade of a 35,000 put, and it already gave 1:4 when I posted it. Then it went to 700 again, but we didn't take that. 1:4 was enough. Then I said 34,700 call is buy above 420, and that also went above 600. So you can see that 568 at that time, and it went far ahead from there. So you can see that with right intuition, right interpretation of data, you can make a good profit in the stock market. So I predicted the fall before the market opened, and it went according to us. So now what? Now is that this is a bearish engulfing candle which had completely engulfed this and filled the gap also, and but closed a little bit higher. So it is going to be volatile with a wide range, as I'm saying, with few in last few sessions, or from this entire month almost, I said that it is going to be hugely volatile month between 16,710 and 17,450. So it went a little bit down, but that's all right. But it came back up, and now it is going to be volatile within this range. If one of these side is broken, then only we can see a bearish or a bullish market. Between this, it will be like this only. So in lower time frame, the picture will be a little bit clear, that you can see the day before yesterday, it made a complete range bound market, then it opened gap up. Within first 1 hour, it made a big fall, and then it took some support near this level of 16,900, and then slow and steady went a little bit up, and now closing here. So this is going to act as resistance, which is near 17,200 again, and the support will be 16,900. So Monday's market can be within this range. So on 15-minute chart, you can see that it has kind of made a W pattern and then went up, and now it is coming. It has come and took support near that breakout level. So if it goes up, then we can see some further up move, and the target would be 17,150 again. So 17,150, 17,200, this zone is going to act as a strong resistance zone. And on the downside, 17,000 is already broken. So 6,900 is going to act as resistance, as support, and then below which this 16,850 level will also come as support. So the market may be volatile within this range between 16,850 on the downside and 17,200 on the upside. So this is the range in which Nifty is expected to trade. And if one of these is broken decisively and sustained, then only we can look for buying or selling more. But if it opens flat, so for capturing the intraday moment, if it opens flat, then it will come down for selling and will take support near this level. So as and when it opens flat and crosses this level, we can sell with 20 to 30 point stop loss, and our target would be 1:2 at least. And due near 16,900 level, we will cover our short. Now if it opens gap down, then chances are that it will go up. If it opens gap down, then support is near, so it is going to be volatile in this range. And toward the end of the day, it may give a breakout also above 17,000. And if it opens gap down, gap up, then that can be sold into, and 17,000 to 17,200 or 150. This could be the range in which it may trade if it opens gap up. So we will take a range bound view, and we will enter into quick scalping mode, or we will just slowly look for selling calls and puts. Now looking at Bank Nifty. Now Bank Nifty is bearish. As you can see from there, it fell, it went up and couldn't sustain and coming down again. So it's a kind of lower high it has made, filling this gap, almost fill this gap. It's made a lower high and now coming back, and it can make a lower low. For that it need to break 34,000. But if you look, then this is also kind of a W formation, so it can also go up, and above 35,600 only we can buy. So between 34,000 and 35,600, it is going to be volatile with no direction. Below 34,000 and above 35,600, we will see some decisive move on Bank Nifty. In 1 hour chart, you can see that it had made gap down, it came down, tried to go up, slowly went above this level but couldn't sustain and came down and closed here. So the chances are that 34,000 level is going to be retested if it comes down, and if it breaks, then we will enter into a very bearish market of Bank Nifty. But if 35,600 is broken on the upside, then 36,200, 36,300, 37,300 on this level will be seen in January, not in December, but in January we can see it. So as of now, it also looks range bound between 34,000 and 35,600. Now if we look to a further lower time frame of 15-minute chart, you can see that it was range bound and then gave a breakout. Now after giving a breakout, it sustained the level and it retested and closed near the support level. So chances are that if it goes up, then it will also come to 35,600, 35,300 level, and if it breaks, then 35,600 level can come, or this high can be tested again. So if Bank Nifty opens flat and comes down, then we can keep a 50 to 60 point stop loss, and we will sell, and we will cover our short at 1:2, which will be near 35,600 or 34,600 level, and below which further fall may drag the market to 34,000. So if it comes flat, we will take 50 to 60 point stop loss in small quantities, and we will sell and try to cover our short around here. And if this level is broken, then we will hold our short and add quantities. We will add quantities below this for 34,000 level. But if it opens gap down, Then also we will look at price action and we will sell for 34,000 level. But if it opens gap up, then the confusion will be created, because now this level of 34,800 will act as support and 35,300 will act as resistance. So after opening gap up of, if it becomes 200 plus point gap up, then also if it becomes 200 plus point gap up, then also we'll look at price action for further confirmation, because this is resistance level and above which we have another strong resistance of 35 to 50, 35 300 this level. So it can test this level and come down, or it can break this level and go up. So if it breaks this level, we are going to buy, and if it faces resistance around this level and then comes down, then we will sell looking at the price action. So that is the view of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and that is a strategy for Monday. Now let's look at stocks. The first stock is Escort. Now you can see that it made a very big candle of a breakout, and then it is halted and then gave another breakout, and now it is kind of halting again in this range. And as you can see that after a few candles it has also gone up, and now from there it has made a red candle, and if it crosses this high, then we can at least target this level in the intraday itself. So we will buy Escort above 1865, keeping a 4 to 5 point as stop loss, and 1:2 will be our target on the upside. The next target is, the next stock is L&T Infotech. Now this is quite a pricey stock, so many of you may not be interested in trading this, but in futures I think all the lots are more or less equal, few difference only. So in futures lot we are going to trade, so you can trade, or you can also watch this, or in small quantities you can even trade it, because the move will be bigger than any the small range stocks. So this is a resistance. If this is cross, then this level or this level will be coming in the coming days. So 200 point can be achieved. As soon as it breaks 7185, we can buy, keeping 10 point stop loss, and 1:2 or even 1:3 will be our target for the intraday. The next stock is Jubilant Footwork, and you can see that from this level it continuously fell, clearly made a lower high, lower low, and established a lower high again and made a lower low. Now this is a lower high again, and it can make a lower low, or at least come to this level. So if it trades below 3425, then we can sell Jubilant Footwork, keeping a 5 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be our target on the downside. The next stock is Cadila Healthcare. It has made a continuous sharp vertical cut, and then it has been in a range and then again fell down, and now it is being volatile, and but slow and steady it is going down. So, and it has tried to go up, but you can see this candle was made, and then the breakdown is confirmed after it broke this low, and now if it breaks, if it comes down again, then these levels can be tested again. So below 452 we can sell Cadila Healthcare, keeping 3 to 4 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be our target on the downside. So that is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.